If you are a content creator, you know that one of the most important aspects of a video is your audio quality. No matter how fancy your camera is, if the audio isn't right, many people will have no interest to watch your video. There are many different options, like I'm using this microphone for my videos most of the time, but there are also plenty of wireless options available, such as the CM31 from Neewer, the sponsor of today's video. So let's just one time unpack the microphone. It is a wireless microphone which comes with 2 microphones and 1 receiver, and it also has a charging case. But let's see what we get here. So let's open it up here now. Wireless microphone CM31. We got a little instruction manual here, a little warning, please do not disassemble it. So it's not in the plans for today. And we have a quick start guide here which shows us the transmitter. Let's check what this little box is about. Here we got a little pouch and different cables to connect the microphone. Like we got the one to connect it to the camera direct, headphone jack to USB-C, and a USB-C to USB-A. And we also have this set of windshields. And now for the main subject, the microphones which are in this box, in this charging case. Let's open this one up. They're secured inside here. We can, like if I try to get them out here, I can feel this, they're magnetically safe. So they're not falling out, which is a nice thing. Got microphone 1 here, microphone 2 there, and we got the receiver. While it looks like metal, it is all plastic. The good thing about this microphone is that you don't need any app to control it, and you can connect it to up to 3 devices simultaneously. We have different connection options via USB-C or the headphone jack. Neewer claims up to 24 hours of battery life. The transmitters and microphones each hold up to 9.5 hours. With the charging case, we can recharge the microphones up to 1.5 times, and it claims to charge the microphones within 2 hours completely. So that's just one-time power on receiver and one of the microphones now. So immediately you can see that it is paired now. The one microphone is paired here. Do it again here, and I will turn on the second microphone. And it is also paired now here. So if you just have a camera and you not have any external microphone, this is how it sounds on my regular camera, which is a Sony ZV-E10. The built-in mic sounds like this. Now I'm using the Neewer CM31 and I'm talking directly to the microphone here. So it of course should sound much better. How much better it is, I will let you decide. But we also have a little trick up its sleeve here. It can activate noise cancelling. Now I activated it. You can see the green LED for ANC is activated now, and now it should be better. The background noise should be gone now here. I will not deactivate noise cancelling again, and I now turned on my little desk fan here. So now it's on level 1, and I will turn back on the noise cancelling. The microphone stays the same way I had it before. Now it is level 1, level 2, and level 3. So hopefully this fan noise will be eliminated through the noise cancelling. I will not take out everything, test it outside, and then we will do a little more testing inside. But it also claims to have at 1000 feet or 300 meter reliable transmission distance. So of course I would like to test this out as well. So let's get out. And here we are outside now. I'm shooting on the internal microphone of the Sony ZV-1. We are like 2.5 meters away from the camera. And now let me connect the Neewer CM31. So I'm standing now more or less the same distance away from the camera, using now the Neewer CM31. Now I will one time activate noise cancellation. It is on now. There's not much going on around here, just the usual forest sounds. Something I would never like to cancel out anyway, but let's hear how well the microphone does this. So now, again, I will now try to walk as far as I can, and now we will walk all the way down there. Go back to the big tree there, maybe a bit further, and we'll see how far it can go. Noise cancellation is activated, by the way, so I have no idea if this time me being with my back to the camera will impact it as much as I can't transmit the signal, or transmitter can't transmit it. So let's keep on walking. Now I'm already quite far away from the camera. I can't say this now already 300 meters or whatever, but it is claimed to have a transmission distance of 300 meters. Let's try to walk a little bit further. So now I'm at the big tree here. It's quite a big distance already now. So if you can still hear my voice here on the camera, it is, I think, pretty neat. More than anyone would ever need in my eyes. So let me one time walk behind those trees here a bit. Then we have some obstacles between me and the camera. This kind of thing should definitely be already enough to block the signals. Now they're actually 2 big trees in front of me. There's a huge distance between the camera and myself. So I guess that's enough for the camera to not receive the microphone signal. But if you can still hear this, even better. And now I'm using the Neewer CM31 with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is a normal mode without ANC. And now noise cancellation is activated. So Neewer CM31 on the iPhone 16 Pro Max with noise cancellation activated. Let's one time attach the little wind protection here, the windscreen. So now with the windshield attached, again now without noise cancellation on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and now I activated noise cancellation. So let me know in the comments what you think sounds the best. So now I'm recording direct to my drone, and as you can hear, it is not very pleasant to record near to a drone. Let's one time see how much noise cancellation affects this. It should be on now. Yeah, the green light is on. So now I'm standing like 2 meters away from the drone, and noise cancellation is on. Let's go a little bit back. Just this here. Of course, the closer we get, the more hard time the microphone will have of cancelling out this sound. So if you are somebody who's using its drone for some shot, don't want to talk over the footage afterwards, let's see if this noise cancellation helps you. So how good are the Neewer CM31 in the end? I think they are a very good option if you want to not break the bank and have a good microphone with you anywhere you go. Thanks to the charging case, they can be used for up to 24 hours, since the case can charge them 1.5 times up when they're completely depleted. A good thing is that you can always just directly record on the microphone itself, so you don't need to connect the microphones to anything. But if you want to connect them, Neewer thought about different options for you to connect them, since we got the headphone jacks here to connect it to your DSLR, video cam, or whatever camera you're using. You can connect it via USB-C to any smartphone, for example, or to your laptop. And if you have an Apple product without USB-C, they also include a lightning cable, which is another option for you to connect the device. And if you don't have any device to connect your receiver to, you can simply double click on the big button and you will record it on the internal memory, which is 8 GB. And like this, you can also just use it for voice memos if you don't have your phone around. It is a good thing to just double click, and also you can use ANC whenever you want during these recordings. This microphone is directly available on the website from Neewer, or you can also get it from Amazon. I will provide affiliate links in the description, so if you buy anything through these links, I will earn a little bit commission, which helps to grow my channel, and I would be grateful to you if you would do so. This outro was, by the way, completely recorded on the Neewer CM31. That's the quality you can expect generally. As you have seen before, the audio quality is really good in my eyes, and there are deals already where you can get the microphones for less than 100 euros. I think it is a no-brainer deal if you consider that you get 2 microphones and a receiver and a charging case. So overall, the quality is already great out of the box. Of course, you can edit it further in your editing program if you like to get more out of it. Just a little comparison again. This is the audio from my Sony ZV-E10, and this is the audio from the Neewer CM31. So what are your thoughts about this microphone? Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos and more camera comparisons coming soon your way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.